Are you ready to learn the secrets to eating healthy and delicious meals without breaking the bank? Imagine filling your cart with nutritious and satisfying groceries, without feeling like you're spending your entire paycheck at the grocery store. In this video, we're going to show you how to grocery shop on a budget and save money while still eating well. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone who wants to eat better without overspending, this video is for you. Get ready to take your grocery game to the next level and start saving money today. Let's start by busting the myth that eating healthy has to be expensive. With a little bit of planning and smart choices, you can fill your cart with nutritious and delicious foods without blowing your budget. The first step is to make a list and plan your meals for the week. This way, you won't be tempted by impulse buys or sales on things you don't need. But that's not all. Did you know that comparing prices and buying store brands can also save you money? It's true. By checking the unit prices and looking for discounts, you can save big bucks on your grocery bill. And don't be fooled by fancy packaging or expensive brands. Sometimes the store brand is just as good. But what about fresh produce? It can be expensive, right? Well, not necessarily. By buying what's in season and opting for frozen or canned fruits and vegetables, you can still get all the nutrients you need without breaking the bank. Plus, cooking at home is not only cheaper, but it's also healthier than eating out. You'll have control over the ingredients and portions, and you'll be able to experiment with new flavors and recipes. So, are you ready to start grocery shopping on a budget and saving money while still eating well? We hope so. Follow these tips and tricks, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier and happier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family. Happy shopping! So what are you waiting for? Start making a plan for your next grocery trip and incorporate the tips we've shared with you in this video. With a little bit of planning and smart choices, you can fill your cart with nutritious and delicious foods without blowing your budget. So go ahead and treat yourself to some yummy groceries. Your wallet and your body will thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family who want to eat well on a budget. Thanks for watching.